Hi, my name is Maureen G Mulvaney, MGM, and welcome to the Abundance Banquet Hall. I am the author of The Women's Millionaire Club, an Amazon bestseller. Chicken Soup for the Teacher's Soul. I'm a co-author and an author of Any Kid Can Be a Superstar. We have these prosperity recipe classes, and you can we'll go to our website, mgmsuperstar.com. That's www.mgmsuperstar.com. Call or text at 480-280-6776 or email mgm@mgmsuperstar.com to find out when the next prosperity recipes class begins. So we'd like you to start. The Abundance Banquet Hall is a way to imagine what you can attract into your life. And you can attract abundant health, vibrant health. You can attract harmonious relationships. You can attract a purposeful purpose, the way you're going to give your gifts and talents to the world, and the dream lifestyle that you are looking for. So we'd love to have you join us in our next Prosperity Recipes class. So get ready to settle in and let's go to the Abundance Banquet Hall, where you can pick what you want from life through your prosperity buffet table. So sit back and enjoy. Welcome to the Abundance Banquet Hall. It's now time to build your imagination muscles and expand your prosperity consciousness. As you settle into your seat, prepared to have a delectable evening. As we say in New Orleans, let the good times roll. So please now uncross your legs, your arms, and your hands. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath of prosperity. Release anything that is holding you back from attracting your promised prosperity. I want you to vividly imagine entering an exquisite abundance banquet hall. Your very own personal prosperity maitre d' greets you warmly by saying your name as he welcomes you. Notice his enthusiasm. He is genuinely excited to see you sit at his table. He radiates kindness and can hardly contain his joy. He seats you at an elegant place setting of fine china, glistening silverware, crisp white linen tablecloths, and a centerpiece that's spectacular and obviously your favorite. He lovingly explains, "For your prosperity pleasure, we have created the largest and most delectable prosperity banquet table you have ever seen. Everything and anything you have ever wanted to create your dream lifestyle is on this buffet table for your pleasure. You and you alone will decide your prosperity." Now let me introduce you to our delectable dishes this evening. Your prosperity buffet table has covered dishes, and as you lift the cover off each dish, you'll see items that were specifically designed just for your enjoyment. As you uncover the first dish, I want you to vividly imagine your vibrant, healthy body. This vibrant, healthy body was prepared specifically for you. It's your ideal weight. It's your ideal blood pressure. It's your ideal pain-free, disease-free body. Your ideal body can run, jump, move, walk, sit, and stand easily and effortlessly. And since this is your ideal body of your dreams, you may discard anything you may not desire. Anything that you say might be genetic or doesn't belong to you now, you can discard it. You may add anything you desire. You and you alone get to decide your ideal body. Take a moment to vividly visualize your ideal body. As we now move down the buffet table, as you uncover the next dish, I want you to vividly imagine your ideal, harmonious relationship or relationships. This ideal relationship was prepared specifically for you. It's your perfect partner. Outwardly, this partner looks pleasing to you, and inwardly, this partner looks pleasing to you. And since this is your ideal relationship of your dreams, you may now discard anything you don't desire. You can also add anything that you do desire for your perfect ideal relationship. You may add as many harmonious relationships as you wish, both personal and business. You get to decide your ideal relationships. You and you alone decide your prosperity relationships. So please take a moment to vividly visualize your ideal relationship or relationships. Oh my. As we move down your prosperity buffet table, the next dish I want you to imagine is your ideal way to give your gifts and talents to the world. This is your pleasurable purpose. How and what and where do you want to deliver your gifts and talents to the world? Because it was prepared specifically for you, and you get to choose. It is your ideal job, your ideal career, or your ideal entrepreneurial experience. It's the perfect way that you decide how you wish to give your gifts and talents to the world and to others. See before you right now your ideal way to give your gifts and talents to the world. Oh my goodness, and once again, we move down your prosperity buffet table. And since you can know that you have the ability to discard anything you do not desire and keep anything that you do desire. You can add it at any time. Yummalicious, our last dish to uncover, is your ideal treasures, your ideal dream lifestyle. This is the money you want to see in your bank accounts and your investments, the possessions you wish to have, the car you wish to drive, the house that you like to live in, the lifestyle you wish. You would like to have a yacht. You would like to have a house at the lake, a house at the mountains, whatever is your dream lifestyle, or you would like to live off the grid. It's all up to you. You and you alone get to decide because these dishes were prepared specifically for you. It's your ideal house, your ideal car, your ideal bank account and lifestyle. Oh, it's so sweet. You may discard anything that you have in your life now that you choose not to keep, and you may add anything that you desire. You get to imagine it. So decide how and what your dream treasures and lifestyles look like right now. Take a moment to vividly visualize your dream lifestyle. Once again, this is your prosperity buffet table. Please know each and every dream dish was designed specifically for you. You're invited to test out dishes that might be unfamiliar to you. At any time, you can always discard what you don't desire in your life. And you can always add what you do desire. You decide your prosperity. You see, as an adult, you do not have to take anything into your life that you do not desire. You and you alone decide your prosperity. And each week, you can choose different things. Each week, you can vividly imagine different things. If you chose something and decided, I just wanted to try it, but it didn't fit for me, you can discard it at any time. At any time, someone else says something that you say, wow, I didn't think about that. I'd like that to add that to my prosperity. I'd like to add that to my vibrant health, to my harmonious relationships, to the way that I give my gifts and talents to the world, and the dream lifestyle, a sweet lifestyle I choose to have. The prosperity items on the table are always prepared specifically for you and you alone decide your prosperity. In your imagination, go back to the table as many times as you wish. And now, when you are ready, please get up and go back in your imagination to get anything else that you desire that makes you happy from your delectable prosperity buffet table. Your prosperity is always a do-it-yourself process, just like life. You and you alone always get to decide your own prosperity. Bon appetit. Vividly imagine it now. And now I'd like you to take a deep breath. Take a nice big yawn. Take a nice big stretch. Gently open your eyes, wiggle your fingers and your toes, and come back to your room. Every time you imagine and vividly visualize your Abundance Banquet Hall and your Prosperity Buffet table, you build your imagination muscles to attract the prosperity you desire in your life. You and you alone decide your prosperity. It's always a do-it-yourself process. Let the Abundance Banquet Hall, you have to know that you have to get up and go get whatever you want when you are ready and have told the universe exactly what you want. No one is going to bring you prosperity. You have to get up and go get it yourself. You can get up at any time. You can visualize at any time your own Abundance Banquet Hall filled with your prosperity buffet table. Discard all items you do not wish to keep. Add anything you do wish to keep, and know that you can go back as many times as you wish. Once again, bon appetit for your prosperity.